In the meantime, the Ministry of Education is rejecting claims that documents related to the Caribbean Maritime University, CMU, were shredded in a bid to impede investigations.
This week, the parliamentary opposition called for an investigation to determine whether crucial documents at the Education Ministry were destroyed during the week the former Education Minister, Ruel Reid, was sacked.
We have credible information about activities that took place during that week, which we believe would have impeded the investigation at the CMU.
The PNP has been pressing the issue, demanding answers from the ministry. But in a media release this afternoon, the Education Ministry said all documents relating to the ministry's engagement with the CMU have been made available to the authorities as requested. However, it noted that certain documents were destroyed after former Education Minister Ruel Reid was fired. The release said this was in keeping with normal Cabinet Office procedures when there's a change in ministers within an administration or when there's a change of government. The ministry said in such circumstances, all cabinet documents issued to outgoing ministers are to be destroyed and a certificate of destruction with a list of documents disposed of presented to Cabinet Office. It said this procedure was followed earlier this year based on a directive dated April 3 to Acting Permanent Secretary Dr. Grace McLean from the Cabinet Secretary Ambassador Douglas Saunders following Mr. Reid's departure. The ministry and the CMU have been the center of scandals surrounding alleged corrupt activities. Anthony Lugg, TVJ News.